Magic V Flip 2 has officially been unveiled in China. It takes on the like of Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 7, Motorola Razr 60 Ultra with features such as 200 megapixel main camera and silicon carbon battery. It has a f1.9 aperture with OIS. The 50 megapixel ultrawide camera with 120-degree field of view is for the second camera. It has a 50 megapixel selfie camera as well. It packs in 5500 milliampere silicon carbon battery with support for 80-watt wired and 50-watt wireless charging. It supports 7.5-watt reverse wireless charging. It has 6.82-inch LTPO OLED inner screen that has a refresh rate of 120 Hz refresh rate. The display has 1.5K resolution rated at 5000 nits of peak brightness. At the front, you get 4-inch LTPO OLED screen with 120 Hz refresh rate and 1020 into 1092 pixel resolution with 3600 nits of peak brightness. It's powered by Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 SoC paired with 16 GB of RAM, 1 TB of storage. Runs Android 15 based Magic OS 9.0.1 out of the box with host of AI features. Other highlights include IP5859 rating, SGS durable flat certification, dual speakers, Wi-Fi 7, Bluetooth 5.3, dual SIM and NFC. It's available in purple, white, gray versions as well as limited edition blue color.